In this video, we will look at the course and what you need to do to get through it. So first off, on your dashboard, you will have your course listed. When you open it, and this isn't the correct course, you'll get something similar to this. But I'm going to show you your actual course. Well, if you're in Pre-Calc A, it will be your actual course. You will get something that looks like this. And it will start with functions. You get some cool music, depending on if you like that kind of thing. And there's lots of information for you to go through. Now, over here on the left, you will not see all of this, and I will explain that when I get to the quizzes and the tests and why you won't see this. You will only see functions, and you will see 1.1, what is a function? This is the whole entire Pre-Calc A. So here at the beginning, it gives you some initial things. If you scroll through it, there's things to read. If you click on these buttons, it will read the things to you if you do not want to read it yourself. Now, once you get past this first initial thing, then you go into the actual sections. The first section is called What is a Function? This key here gives you key terms. There's also a transcript of it. And then you will have these little video slides that you can go through. And it will explain some things to you. Now then, down at the bottom, there's some objectives as well. And then you move on from that little thing and you'll go into the study part of it. The study part of it is where pretty much everything is that you need in order to learn the things that are in that unit. As you can see, this has 23 different slides that you can go through and view. And each one of them has different things. You can walk through them as slowly or as quickly as you would like. If you feel you completely understand things, then by all means, you do not have to go through and do every little thing that it asks you to do in each one of these. There's also a transcript. You can go up here in the teacher resources, and there's a study guide for you that you can do as well. And I don't know if you have the show answers button on the study guide. I think what happens is if you open it and you scroll down, it should show you then the answers, or if you open it the second time, it'll show the answers. One of the two. I can't remember how it works for you. Then this next thing is check up lessons learned. This is your homework. So what you will do is get this, print it out, go through and fill it out, and then you can correct it. And again, once you look at it a second time, it will show you all the answers, and then you can self-correct to make sure that you are understanding what it is that you are doing properly. These are the things that once you've done them, you will have to scan them and email them to me. When you send me an email with these things, send me the email and be sure to put in your subject line, put in, like, say, homework, and then 1.1. And then you can send it to me. If you want to write me a little note in there as well, you can. If you want to send me a bunch of them at one time, like some kids I know in the summer, this past summer, waited and sent me all the homework for chapter 1 at one time, scanned it all in, sent it as one big file, that's fine as well. If you do that, then just put chapter 1 and put that into the subject line so that I know what it is and I can keep track of it. Like I said, that counts for 10% of your grade. Then once you get that done, we will move on to the next part, which would be your quizzes and tests, and that will be in the next video. So that's all for the course at this point in time.